Question number 4. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? We start with what are the things available with this. We'll do this one. Okay. First start with A is equal to 9. So I'm starting with A is equal to 9. The first term of the expression. I'm going to find the difference. Difference is nothing but second term minus first term. So 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Okay, so the difference is D. Common difference is D, that is 8. A is equal to 9. Now they're asking how many terms. They're asking n is equal to what? If the sum of n terms is 636. Okay, so now we know the value of A and D, so I can use the first formula instead of the second one here. So what is the formula for Sn? Sn is equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. I know the value of n, so I substitute the value of n as it is, n by 2, and a value is 9, 2 into a, 9, n minus 1, d equal to 8. So when I expand this one, Sn already we know that one, that is equal to 636. So that is equal to n by 2. Here is 2 9s are 18 plus 8n minus 8. Okay, so that is equal to 636. I take the equation to the next page. I will continue here. So in this case again I write this one, 636 is equal to n upon 2, and here inside we have 18 plus 8n plus 8n minus 8. Okay, now this will change like n by 2, 8n plus 10 will appear. Okay, because 18 minus 8 is 10, is this one. So 636. So what I'm going to do is, since denominator we have 2, I can divide that value inside also. Many things possible, or just take 2 outside from the 8n here. So these are some shortcut method. We can minimize the steps involved here. So for your understanding, I'm doing like this way: 2 into 4n plus 2 into 5. So I'm taking 2 outside, it become n upon 2 into 2. So that is equal to 4n plus 5. So that is equal to 636. Cancel 2 on both sides, it become n times 4n plus 5. That is equal to 636. Again I'm taking the value to the next page. 636 is equal to n times, and inside the bracket we had 4n plus 5. 4n plus 5. So now I expand this one. It is a 4n square plus 5n, that is equal to 636. Now remember here is the order is 2, so I can convert this into quadratic equation. So what is the first method I'm doing is 4n square plus 5n equal to 636. Like AB equal to B plus A. The same way I'm doing this one. So 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Okay, so now I have to solve this one here. There are two methods we already discussed in the previous question. We can use minus b plus or minus b square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a we can use. But look at the value here. C is minus 636. And if you take a very big number, it will take a lot of time to solve the equation. So sometime we can go for factor's method, and other method we can go for that one. So I'm going to find the roots of n. For this, what I should do is I'm multiplying a and c. That is a 4 into minus 636. Okay, so you can multiply or you can do directly. So here for understanding, I'm multiplying for yourself. So 4 and 24 remaining 2, 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14, remaining 1, 4 6 is 24 plus 4 6 24 remaining 2, 12 plus 14 remaining 1, 24, 25. Okay, so I start with this one. So minus 2544. The best one is first way to divide. Look at the last two terms. It's a 44. So definitely it's going to divide by 4 because we multiply 4 only. So it's going to divide by 4. So we try whether it's divided by 8 or not. Okay, we try. So what is the condition for divisible by 8? Of course, if a number divisible by 4 and 2 divisible by 8. So this number is going to divisible by 8. So I'm going to divide by 8. In this case, how many 8s are there in 25? 3 8s are 24, remaining 1 in 14, 1 8, remaining 60, 14 8, remaining 6 in 64, 8, and here 8. So further I'm dividing into further number here. I'm going to divide by 2. So it's a minus 1, and for 11 we have 5, and again 159, and the 2 times. Okay, now again this number is divisible by 2, but 159 is divisible by 3 because the sum of digits are multiples of 3. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 5 9 is 15. 15 is a multiple of 3, so I can divide by 3. So in divide by 3 I get the answer minus 5 and minus 53, and here 3. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just multiply all the, because 53 beyond 53 I can't do anything here because it's a prime number. 3 2 8, multiply everything. So what answer is this one? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 6 8s are 48. So what I can come to conclusion is minus 2544 will have two factors. One is minus 53, another is 48. Why I selected this one is if we add this one, you will get the answer minus 5. But what I need is I need plus 5. So what I can do is minus you can keep anywhere. Okay, maybe minus 40 to keep, and plus 53 you can keep this one. Because what I need is when I add this one, I need plus 5. So the same expression I can keep here, minus 2544. Okay, and when I divide this one, I keep this is a plus 53 and minus 48. So that when you add this two, it will give the answer plus 5n. So this particular equation can be written as 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equal to 0. So in this way I can change the equation here. Now I'm going to take the first two terms alone. I'm going to take first two terms alone. There is a 4n square plus 553n. So in this case, what is the common here? N is common. So 4n plus 53 is the first area. Now same 4n plus 53 I am writing here. Now I have to find the relation between last two terms of the previous step and this 4n here. So what is the relation between minus 48n plus 4n? It is a minus 12. So minus 12 into 4 is minus 48n. Same minus 12 into plus 53 will give minus 636. So you multiply and find this one. So now we have two value. One is 4n plus 53 is one term. Another term is n minus 12 equal to 0. So among these two terms, one term must be 0. Then only the result will be 0. So that means 4n plus 53 is equal to 0, or n minus 12 that is equal to 0. Okay. So in turn what we are saying is 4n is equal to minus 53, or n is equal to 12. I read the same thing in the next page and continue this one. So right here 4n is equal to minus 53, or n is equal to plus 12, or n is equal to minus 53 upon 4, or n is equal to 12. So from this what you can understand is when in arithmetic progression n must be always positive integer. It should not be negative integer or fraction. So automatically what happen, n equal to 12 is a valid one. N is equal to 12 is a valid one, whereas this one is a invalid. Okay. So now we found the value of n. N is equal to 12. But what question asks this one? Question is how many terms of AP 9725 must be taken to give a sum of 636? So answer is we need number of terms required is to get the answer 656 is equal to 12. So this is the answer for the fourth question.